If you need a Facebook tutorial for your business, I'm excited to help you out in this video. I'll show you why your business should have a Facebook business page and show you all the things you can do with it. Also, your business might have a page out there that you didn't create that people are leaving bad reviews on. I'll show you how to find that and fix it as well. All coming up. Hey, busy people. Welcome to 5 Minute Social Media. If you have had figure out my social media for your brand or business on your to-do list and you keep shoving it down because it's overwhelming, you don't know where to start, well, what we do is we put out a new quick video every week giving you another tip to help with your digital marketing strategy. If that sounds like something you would benefit from, by all means, take a second, hit subscribe, and click that bell so you're notified whenever a new video comes out. By the way, my name is Jerry Potter. Yes, it rhymes with the boy wizard. You can connect with me on social media here. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding about why your business should have a Facebook business page, how to set it up, how to use it, and how to find out if there are any extra business pages out there for your business that you don't even know about. Some businesses have pages automatically generated by Facebook, and meanwhile, your customers find them and leave good and bad reviews, sometimes angry reviews, that you can't even respond to. So, does your business need a Facebook business page? Almost always, yes, and I'll share a couple exceptions in a minute. When I was first becoming a consumer, if your business didn't have a website, I was like, why don't you have a website? Well, now for today's consumers, it's all about having a Facebook page. It's kind of like having a Yelp listing. If you're not there, consumers are wondering, like, why aren't you on Facebook? Like, don't you have fans? Don't you have people that like your business that want to engage with you? And if you don't, why would I want to engage with you? Not having a Facebook business page is missing out on social proof. And social proof is basically the fact that people are 71% more likely to buy a product if they saw it recommended on social media. So that's good reviews and recommendations from friends who like your page, all of that. You're missing out on all of that. Now, you can get away with using a personal page for your business if you are a one-person business and it's named after you, if you're a real estate agent, or if I was Jerry Potter, wedding photography, then maybe I could get away with that. But that's also saying like, well, but my business is never going to grow big. I don't ever want to advertise on Facebook. You're really limiting yourself at that point. Now, at this point, I know there are people at different levels watching this video. If you haven't even created your Facebook business page, I do have a video for that. You can do it in about 2 minutes. The link is here at the top of the screen or in the description of this video. Now, if you already have a page and you want to learn how to post to it, photos, text posts, links, videos, I cover all of that in a video. That is at the top of the page or down in the description as well. But a lot of people ask about, well, what if there's this business page out there that I didn't create? What do I do about that? It happens. If somebody tries to check into your business on Facebook and they can't find it, Facebook will automatically create a Facebook page. Some clients I've taken on, I discover these extra pages. They've been there for years, and people have left, reviews, sometimes mad, angry reviews that never get responded to. Meanwhile, other consumers are checking you out on that page and going, man, this business owner doesn't even care about his customers. Or, look, she never even responded to these people, and look what happened to them. You got to control your narrative, and you got to get rid of these pages. Cover all of that in a video. That is at the top of the page or down in the description as well. All right, I hope that was helpful to you. If you've got a question or a comment, leave it in the comments or join us in our private Facebook group. Just search 5 Minute Social Media on Facebook. I'm in there just about every day, and I'm happy to help you out there. Want more videos like this? Don't forget to subscribe, click that bell, and you'll be notified when new videos come out. You're not only supporting me, but also my 2 tiny superheroes at home. Thank you for watching 5 Minute Social Media.